Hey there everybody, if you clicked on this video, you probably want to know how to fix Apple Intelligence if it's not working in your country. Well, look no further because that's exactly what I'm going to show you today. Well, fixing Apple Intelligence if it's not available in your country is pretty easy and simple, so without wasting any time, let's get started. So first of all, in the first step, what you need to do is update and check. What you need to do is ensure your Mac OS is up to date. And after that, in the next step, what you need to do is change region. And for that, what you need to do is go to System, then go to General. And after that, go to Language and Region. And then select Region and select your country and then restart your Mac. Once your MacBook is restarted, what you need to do is open Settings again and then go to Apple Intelligence and Siri. And after that, what you need to do is toggle the Apple Intelligence button and join the waitlist. And then in the next step that you can use is use your Apple Intelligence. You can use it by saying Hey Siri, or by pressing Globe key plus S. You can also add Siri to the menu bar. For that, what you need to do is go to Settings and then go to Control Center. After that, what you need to do is enable the option that says Show in menu bar for Siri. And that's pretty much all about how you can fix Apple Intelligence if it's not available in your country. Well, I hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.